waiting to be sentenced. Any minute now, we could hear the fate of former Mayor Catherine Pugh. Hello again, I'm Lynn Bowie.
And I'm Tim Williams.
A federal judge will determine how much time she'll spend behind bars after she pleaded guilty to tax evasion and conspiracy charges.
This all stems from a scheme involving the sale of her Healthy Holly children's books. WJZ is live at the federal courthouse downtown. Avajoy Burnett has more on what could happen today. Avajoy.
Well, good afternoon to you both. The former mayor showed up here early this morning at the federal courthouse well ahead of her sentencing hearing inside. And this is what we know is taking place right now. The sentencing was scheduled to start at 10. We're expecting that it could run for about 2 hours, but right now it could go much longer. The prosecution and defense, they're expected to let their witnesses speak. But we're also hearing from the prosecution. They said her actions were like something from a mobster movie. After a months-long legal process, former Mayor Catherine Pugh walked into the federal courthouse downtown this morning, knowing that the judge could sentence her to nearly 5 years in prison. The former mayor pleaded guilty to 4 federal charges, including conspiracy to defraud the U.S. government and 2 counts of tax evasion. She's accused of defrauding people who bought her Healthy Holly children's books out of hundreds of thousands of dollars, then using that money to fund her campaign for mayor. Last night, WJZ obtained a pre-produced video her attorneys submitted to the court. In it, she repeatedly apologized.
I accept responsibility. I accept total responsibility. I've pled guilty. I'm sorry. I don't think I could say it. I don't know any other words that could be stronger. I'm so sorry.
She may also face financial penalties. In her apology video, Pugh said she knows this has brought negative attention to the city she once led.
By pleading guilty and by being involved in all of this that has led me here today has created such a ringing negativity on our city.
We have a reporter inside the courtroom right now, and what we do know from the former mayor's attorneys, she is expected to possibly address the judge for herself beyond that video that you guys just saw a portion of. And something else that we want to let you know, the prosecutors, they want nearly 5 years for her. At last check, it was 4 years and 7 months, but her attorneys, they're requesting 1 year and 1 day. Live at the federal courthouse, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.
Thank you, Avajoy. WJZ will stay in court today for Mayor Pugh's sentencing. We will bring you full coverage and reaction once it happens.